How to fix Messenger search option not working. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you fix the problem like Facebook Messenger search conversation not working on your device. So let's get started. First, as you have to just close the entire application from your device. For that, simply close that application from your home screen or your devices. After you clear or force close and reopen, your problem should be fixed. If you are facing that problem again, go to the App Store or Play Store for the updates available for that application. After you open App Store, in the source field, search for Messenger. And from your, if you find any update for Messenger application, simply tap on that update option. After you update latest version of Messenger, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just clear the cache of your Messenger application. For the iPhone, open up settings. From settings section, tap on general. From general, tap on iPhone storage. And from your, simply find out the application Messenger. After you find it, tap on that. From here, simply tap on Upload App. Again tap on Upload App. After you uploaded the Messenger app, simply tap on Reinstall App again from here. After you do this and clear the cache of Messenger, your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to keep a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.